This is far the best niche for YouTube Shorts when it comes to selecting a niche for YouTube. As a beginner, you have to consider a lot of factors, but in this video, we are going to talk about 3 things. Number 1, the size of your target audience. Number 2, is your niche a trend? Because if it is, then that niche will eventually fall off. Lastly, is it easy to produce? So let's just say that you selected a trending niche and you become somewhat successful in the first few months. But right after, you cannot go ahead and get millions of views right after because those type of niches cannot be sustainable. So in this video, we are going to talk about a niche that will bring success to you for several years. I am about to reveal all of these 3 points in this video, so make sure to watch till the end. So in this video, I am going to show you how this process takes manually. And for our second step, I am now going to show you on how you could go ahead and do this automated. And in that way, you will be able to see how useful this automation tool is. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you how you can create a fully automated YouTube channel. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. But before we head over to our video, let's go ahead and watch this example video.
And a killer playlist, they hit the highway in their old beat-up car. As they drove through the desert, a massive sandstorm hit, forcing them to pull over. With zero visibility, they huddled in the car, waiting for it to pass. Suddenly, a genie materialized in front of them. The genie, feeling generous, offered each one a wish. John wished for $1 million, and in a blink, the car was surrounded by 1 million quacking ducks.
So with that example video, I'm sure you know now what makes this niche so valuable. It's because this niche never gets old. So with our first step, you want to head over to ChatGPT. And inside ChatGPT, you want to go ahead and type create a funny story for a YouTube short video, make it funnier and simpler, and don't use language, use simple language. You want to hit on the send button and wait for ChatGPT to do its thing. And as usual, we need to go ahead and transform this text into a voice audio. So you want to head over to 11 Labs because this is one of the best text-to-speech AI out there. Inside 11 Labs, you can just go ahead and modify your voices by clicking on the settings right here. Or if you cannot go ahead and look for your voice, they have tons and tons of templates that you can go ahead and discover. You want to click on voices, and inside you want to browse through the voice library. In here, they have categories like narrative and story, conversational, character and animation, social media, and more. Basically, every voice that you are looking for is inside this website. And of course, once we have our script, and we also have our voice, the last thing that we can go ahead and add is our video. To do that, you want to head over to Leonardo AI. Inside Leonardo AI, you want to click on image generation, and in here you want to start manually creating your images depending on our script. So as you may know, this method can take a lot of time, and we are not even talking about the editing part yet. After getting all of your video, all of your audio, you have to put them all together. And so we are now going to talk about the automated process of this method, and that is by using the AutoShorts.ai. You have to open up their website. It is called the AutoShorts.ai, and most of the problem with this type of websites is that they are not unique. But this specific AI tool creates a unique video every time, so you don't have to worry about monetization issues when you are using this AI. So how does it work? First things first, you have to pick a topic. Simply choose a topic that your faceless video series will be about. You can even customize your own. Their AI will immediately begin creating your first video. Second step, you have the preview video. Posting to your channel is completely automated. Of course, you can preview and edit the contents of your video at any time before they are scheduled to post. Each video is unique to you. And lastly, we have the manage your series. Easily manage, delete, and preview all of your video in series in one place. So to proceed, you want to scroll all the way up and you want to click on View Dashboard. After clicking on it, you will then be brought to this page right here. Since we don't have any faceless video yet, you want to click on Create Your Series. So first things first, you have to select your destination. If you click on this pop-up menu, we have the option for link to our TikTok account, link to a YouTube account, and we can just mail the video to ourselves. And since we are using a free plan, we can only go ahead and choose the email option. Right after, we can now go ahead and choose our content. In here, you have contents like scary stories, motivational, bedtime stories, and more. But we are here to select the long form jokes content. So you can just go ahead and click on it. And now we have the narrator voice. You can just listen to one of these voices by clicking on the play button beside their name.
In the heart of the city,
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west.
The train chugged along the tracks.
the library is
In the kitchen,
After choosing your voice, you want to select the video language. In our case, it is going to be English US. And lastly, you have the duration preference. We only have two options right here. You have 30 to 60 seconds or 60 to 90 seconds. You want to select your preferred duration and you want to click on Create Series. And before we preview the video, as you can go ahead and see, we already have the title, you have your caption and your script. But as you may know, you are not locked within the script. You can totally edit this out if you want to, just like the caption and the title. You also have the next video scheduled right here, so if you truly want to make your YouTube automated, you can just go ahead and get a subscription from AutoShorts.com, which we'll review after. And so, after generating your video, you can then go ahead and edit the title, caption, or if you want a brand new script, you can then go ahead and click on this button. Generate a completely new script for your videos. To proceed, let's now talk about the billings or the subscription for this website. In here, we have our free plan, which creates one video, one series, and edit and preview of videos. For the second one, we have the starter $19 per month, post 3 times a week, one series, edit and preview videos, auto post to channel, HD video resolution, and more. If you want a bigger one, you have the $39 a month, which posts once a day, one series, edit and preview videos, and more. And lastly, we have the hardcore subscription, which is $69 per month. Post twice a day, one series, edit and preview videos, auto post to channels, HD resolutions, and more. So you can just go ahead and avail this specific AI tool, and in that way, you will be able to automate everything to your YouTube channel. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.